Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Talkback on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So in order to do that, what we need to do is of course access the Talkback settings. Now once the Talkback is enabled, the navigation is quite tricky, so I'm gonna show you step by step how to actually do that. So first we want to open the settings. If you have the settings icon in the home screen, you can tap once on the settings icon and then double tap in order to open it. If not, if you don't have it immediately on the home screen, if you have it on another page, then what you can do is use two fingers in order to slide to the other page. Or, once again, use two fingers in order to open the app drawer. And scroll down using your two fingers again. So you cannot scroll with one finger, you need to use two. As you can see, if I try to use one, it doesn't work, but if I use two, it works just fine. So then you can tap on settings once and then double tap to open it. Over here, we need to go all the way down, so once again use two fingers in order to scroll all the way down, and tap on additional settings once, and then double tap in order to proceed. Over here, tap on accessibility, and double tap. Then tap on vision, and then double tap. Tap on Talkback, and then double tap. And then you can tap on the use Talkback slider in order to turn it off, so tap it once, and then double tap. Tap on stop button and then double tap. And there we go. Now Talkback is disabled and you can use your device as intended. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.